Welcome back. In this video, we will talk about discrete distributions and their characteristics. Let's get started. Earlier in the course, we mentioned that events with discrete distributions have finitely many distinct outcomes. Therefore, we can express the entire probability distribution with either a table, a graph, or a formula. To do so, we need to ensure that every unique outcome has a probability assigned to it. Imagine you are playing darts. Each distinct outcome has some probability assigned to it based on how big its associated interval is. Since we have finitely many possible outcomes, we are dealing with a discrete distribution. Great. In probability, we are often more interested in the likelihood of an interval than an individual value. With discrete distributions, we can simply add up the probabilities for all the values that fall within that range. Recall the example where we drew a card 20 times. Suppose we want to know the probability of drawing 3 spades or fewer. We would first calculate the probability of getting 0, 1, 2, or 3 spades, and then add them up to find the probability of drawing 3 spades or fewer. One peculiarity of discrete events is that the probability of y being less than or equal to y equals the probability of y being less than y plus 1. In our last example, that would mean getting 3 spades or fewer is the same as getting fewer than 4 spades. All right, now that you have an idea about discrete distributions, we can start exploring each type in more detail. In the next video, we are going to examine the uniform distribution. Thanks for watching.